Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from the United States, and right off the bat, I have to tell you a little story. So, see on the side here, this is like promoting a new Taylor Swift album. In 2014, I was lucky enough to get invited to Malaysia with my wife to go visit a factory over there, the My Quali factory, and hang out with people over there, and it was absolutely wonderful and amazing. Well, when we were over there hanging out with our hosts, and they were playing a radio station the whole time we were over there. I've since found that radio station and listened to it from time to time. But anyways, I'm over there and listening. There's this one song that's just like total earworm. I mean, you can't stop humming along to it. It just like sticks in your head. I'm thinking, wow, this is what Malaysian music is like. This is so cool. So I asked my buddy, I'm like, so dude, what is this? And he looks at me and just says, Taylor Swift. Oh God. Oh God. Anyways, so let's crack this open and take away the Taylor Swift, and yeah. Alright, so most of you know that I've been on a diet and doing a lot of exercise. Well, a company that I've been working with for a while now named Hakubaku has a product called Mochi Barley, and I freaking love this stuff. I mix it with Progresso soup almost every night. It's got lots of fiber, it's not super high in calories, and it's just altogether super good. And they've been kind enough to keep me in supply of it, as you can see. So yeah, thank you very much. I'm gonna be doing a new diet video. It'll be late October, early November, I'm guessing. And I'm gonna do a new recipe including this stuff in it. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, thank you very much to the folks over at Hakubaku. Alright, and this has been the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your barley every day. Have a good one. Bye.